Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I got the old Cummins M here, and I have the Lastec on it. I ordered some new blades for this. I think I probably got my money's worth out of these. That's not the worst of them. These look a little bit different. A lot more lift to them. We'll have to see how these things cut. Holy, they are some high lifters. These must have been low lift or mid lifts. That might improve the cut quality a little bit. So there's 10 blades in this box, and those 10 blades cost half as much as what I paid for the whole mower. No, these aren't that expensive. I just didn't pay much for this because last people didn't really like it. They bought it brand new, and it was just a maintenance hog. One thing I don't like about this mower, or one of the many things, is these pieces. They get all bent up along with these. So then the blades start rocking in there. See, it goes like this. You can see what I'm talking about. It could possibly rock in there. It is kind of nice that you can pull that completely off to get anything out of there that's wrapped up in there, though. Ooh, problems. These are supposed to be a direct replacement. I don't think they are. These are Oregon 91628. This does not fit around here. Well, I think is what I'm gonna do for these blades, since I can't use these brackets, and it didn't seem like it was really all the best thing anyways. So what they're supposed to do is go around the blade and make a positive connection. But there's a lot of mowers out there that do just rely on friction. So putting these in the press to get them as straight as I can. I have a bunch of these big washers from when I pulled the cab off the burnt 1086, and I'm just going to do a friction fit on these and see how they work. Get them good and tight like that. See how that works. That's about all I can do. Now to do the rest of them. Oh yeah, some of these are pretty sweet. You want to make sure you put these on the right way, otherwise they aren't going to do much. This one right here. Look at how bad that one is. I don't think it's working right anymore. That one takes the most abuse, being it's got the most drive belts on it, so let's get that one off. I don't know if I'll be able to get this with these or not. I don't even know how I'm supposed to hold on to it. I can't get up in there on anything. I don't know if it'll stay, but I have one wrench on a big nut on top. Feels like I'm slipping here. I might just have to cut this one off. I've never had to do this before. Am I surprised? No, not really. Nothing surprises me on this thing. I'll try one more thing. See if this pipe wrench can get a better grip on it. And of course, I'm going to put a cheater pipe on it. You guys think the Chief will do anything? I think I'm gonna get them stuck on there. Yep. The Chief is stuck. How do I get the Chief off here now? Cheater pipe. Oh wow. How is it so tight? That ain't going anywhere. Well, I don't really want to heat up the spindle too much. This is pretty disappointing. After a whole bunch of messing around, I think I finally barely got it to start. That is nice, isn't it? That's just an awful sound. But could be worse. Could be cutting this dang thing off completely. Still won't go without the pipe though. It's starting to go without the pipe now. Oh yes, finally got it. It's free. Would you look at that? Isn't that a beauty? Well, it got pretty late last night and I ruined that bolt. So this morning I went to Fastenal. I looked up what this thing was supposed to have for bolts, and I got a whole pile of them. And lock washers, $7. Usually Fastenal seems pretty expensive, but when you got an account, it pays. So I'm actually going to go and pop these all off and replace them with new bolts because they're getting pretty wore down, and they'll give me, you know, some more chance to get them out next time. Should take a little while to wear them bolts down. Heck, for all I know, they're originals. I had to build up a little bit of air. So I'm gonna go put a little anti-seize on these guys while I'm in here. They seem to like to really lock in. There we go. I'll get the rest of them. Since I had so much trouble with this one last night, I'm gonna go and run the bolt in all by itself first before I put the blade on it. Still goes a little rough, but it's gonna have to be. Here's a look at my blades I was running. I got my use out of them. That one's actually curled the wrong way. I must have hit something with that. Wonder if that wasn't the center one. I don't remember. Now for a little bonus. You guys are probably here for this anyways. Let's fire this old girl up and try out the mower. For you that haven't seen this thing before, this is my Farmel M with a Cummins 4-cylinder turbo diesel. If you want to see more about that, click on up here. But it's just my lawnmower and tractor, 100 horse or so. Hydraulic pump on here is pretty weak on these old things, so I really got to wind it up. There's no live power on this one, so you gotta push the clutch in, then pull the PTO lever. Everything seems good. Put her in second. Well guys, it looks like it's working pretty good. I'm gonna get after this mowing thing. Thanks for watching. Till next time, like, share, and subscribe. Take care and God bless. You wanna run them?